welcome to the Rowlf the Dog and BFDI Plush show. What in the fart? Why did you do that sound effect? It's like the explosive milk. What? This sound is very getting me. Why could you do such sound when you get in your face? What the heck is going on with Lai's face? You think that's a crazy sound, so you feel like I'm gonna explode you. The BFDI fans say that this is a crafting table. Folks, you think that's explosive? I'm gonna get you. Bottle, I am going to punch you.